Hey guys, Stefan Fischer here from AllOffroad. I hope you guys are well. Have you ever looked for a solution to secure and waterproof the camping gear on the top of your roof rack, camper trailer or in the back of your ute? If yes, then what I have been testing over the past 12 months may be of interest to you. So stay tuned and keep watching. In today's video, I would like to share with you my experience with the Safeguard waterproof tarps, which I tested on my camper trailer for the past 14 months. For full disclosure, Safeguard provided me the tarps free of charge for testing and review purposes. However, they have not paid me for the review and they have zero influence over the content of this review. Safeguard contacted me a bit over a year ago and asked me whether I would be interested to have a look at their cargo tarps. This was quite good timing because I not that long before purchased the Signature Deluxe camper trailer, and that had an open cargo cage on top, and I was looking for something which would keep my gear on top dry and also make it more difficult for water to enter into the top cargo area. Let me give you a quick overview of Safeguard and their cargo nets and tarps. Safeguard waterproof retaining tarps protect and secure items on cargo spaces. When carrying camping gear on a roof rack, trailer or ute, you legally need to cover and retain your load, otherwise you can be fined. Also, nothing is worse than arriving at camp after driving through a rain shower and having all gear soaking wet because the waterproofed roof bag turned out not to be waterproof. And trust me, I've been there. Initially, I just used a tarp to weatherproof the load cage on the camper trailer, but they are often easy to come loose and can flap around quite a bit. They also don't secure your load, so it wasn't my preferred solution. When Safeguard contacted me, I thought the waterproof load retaining tarps are a good idea to try. I used the medium SMRT 600 on the camper trailer. The size is 2.2 meters by 1.6 meters. It's made out of weatherproof poly canvas with polyester webbing integrated through the design to give it a 1,000 kilogram load rating. That is with 6 straps. You can further increase the load rating by using more straps. The tarp has load-rated tabs all over and it has eyelets around the perimeter, giving you many options to secure the tarp. I only have 4 strong anchor points on the camper trailer, so I still use the straps with my roof cargo bag to secure the content. And have the Safeguard tarp on top to keep my gear mostly dry and further restrain the load. The tarp is waterproof, but it's not a sealed bag, so water can still enter from the sides if you drive in heavy rain, but it has kept my gear mostly dry. With the many eyelets, I also use Oki straps and some carabiners to prevent the tarp from flapping around. Most Safeguard tarps come with a 12-month warranty, which can be extended to 3 years via the Safeguard website. Besides keeping my gear dry and secured, the tarp also had an unexpected additional benefit when storing my trailer. My Rhino rooftop bag was unfortunately a favorite spot for my neighbor's cat to rest and sharpen their claws when the trailer is at home. However, they don't like the Safeguard tarp covering it now, so that also solved another problem for me. So a few things to consider. The tarps don't stretch, so consider a size big enough to cover the height of the cargo you intend to carry. While waterproofed, it's not an enclosed bag, so rain can be driven underneath by strong wind or driving. I needed a few additional carabiners and straps to prevent the tarp from flapping. The price of the medium tarp is $326.70. Don't ask me how they got onto that price, which is a bit higher than the tarp from Bunnings. However, the better durability, 1,000 kilogram safe working load to restrain cargo, the many anchor points, and included heavy-duty cam buckle tie-down straps justify the higher price in my eyes. Overall, my conclusion is that I like the Safeguard tarps and I will continue using it. If you need something to protect and restrain your camping gear on a roof rack, camper trailer or ute, I think the Safeguard tarps and nets are well worth your consideration. There's a wide range of cargo nets and tarps available from Safeguard in many different sizes. You can find out what size and type is right for you on their website. Yeah guys, I hope this was useful to you. If yes, please consider to share, like and subscribe. And if you're feeling generous, please consider heading over to Patreon or buy me a coffee, and with the equivalent of a cup of coffee or two per month, you can really help me to stay independent and create these videos for you. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you along the tracks.